man, I don't know. So you get turn in multiple positions. You can see that in the back of the machine, you got your tool changer that comes in. You can change out to either turning tools or milling tools on the bottom. One other one that's kind of cool is if you look up here, it's got the large boring bar stocker that opens up, and you can bring out the large boring bars to load in your turning tools for larger parts. Stores up to 5 boring bars back there. You got 30 tools in the magazine. There's the cover. And then what else? All 3 axes are fully controllable. You can rotate whichever ones you need. Rotate the B axis to any angle to turn at profiles. When you engage the machine into milling mode, you can control your C axis fully. And if you wanted to look at the options page, I can show you right here. Options. Here's all the lit up ones are the options that are included in the machine. I'm sorry, all the black ones are the included options. And then it also has a 10 horsepower milling motor, so we're able to push up to like 2.5-inch insert drills, no problem, full speed. What else? The tail stock is on a drag and pull system where I'll move this out real quick. I can show you the way it's got a little plunger that drags the tail stock out to whatever position you want.